Well, here we are. Got the zombie rod out today. Today we'll get to peel the tape off here so everybody can see what it is. Oh look, it says Enyu or Enyo, Enyu. The Keiryu Rod Company. Really nice rod. This is what we're going to be fishing with today. It's a 13 foot. It's a 6.0 on the RFI scale, and it's fast action. It's a really nice rod. It's one of my, I would call it middle length rods that are all bigger than 12 foot. Because down here the river's big, and normally shorter rods are not that, they're not an advantage. They're like at a disadvantage when fishing a bigger body of water using a shorter rod. So we're gonna go ahead and get a leader tied on and a couple flies, and we're gonna get to fishing over there. Okay, well now that I'm tied on and everything, I have my homemade leader that's a step down. There's, in my fly tying area, there's a video on how to tie one of those. But I'm running an indicator up there, and it's about 4 foot from where this big squirmy wormy is, and I'm using a 13-foot rod with about 13-foot 4 in line, topped out with 4X. Let's see if we can get something. Changed up, running the minnow. Tempt fate, you get broke. Well, what happened there is I had the rod low and just couldn't recover. Got broke off. 4X isn't that strong. That is a feisty little rainbow right there. Off the hook. Let's see what we got. 7 and 5 makes 12. And it's feisty. Beautiful little rainbow trout. Look at how pretty that thing is. Here it goes. Think there's another one out there? Cool if there was. There may be. It's just maybe back this way a little more. Well, that was an adventure. Making my way down the river, catching fish, or attempting to. Got broke off once, I swear I got 2 fish in the net. Both of them were rainbows. And I missed a few others and saw some big carp and stuff. But it's been a good day. The Inyo did good, or Inyu, however it's pronounced. You guys could comment down on the bottom how you spell that, or not spell it, but how you pronounce that. Well, anyways, well, thank you guys for watching, liking, and subscribing. I'll see you on the next one.